3 types of video marketing content? Certainly. Here are 3 types of video marketing content commonly used by businesses. 1. Product demonstration/explainer videos. Product demonstration or explainer videos showcase the features, benefits, and functionality of a product or service. These videos aim to educate potential customers about how the product works and how it can solve their problems or fulfill their needs. They often include demonstrations, tutorials, or testimonials to highlight key selling points and build trust with the audience. 2. Customer testimonials/case studies. Customer testimonials or case study videos feature satisfied customers sharing their experiences and success stories with a product or service. These videos provide social proof and credibility by showcasing real-life examples of how the product or service has helped customers achieve their goals or overcome challenges. They can be powerful persuasive tools in influencing purchasing decisions. 3. Behind-the-scenes/company culture videos. Behind-the-scenes or company culture videos offer a glimpse into the inner workings of a business, its people, and its values. These videos humanize the brand and help build a connection with the audience by showing the people behind the products or services. They can include employee interviews, office tours, team-building activities, or stories about the company's mission and values. These are just 3 examples of video marketing content, and there are many other types and formats businesses can explore based on their goals, target audience, and industry. The key is to create content that resonates with your audience, adds value, and ultimately drives engagement and conversions.